Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to lock apps on Samsung phones without any sort of third-party apps. So as we usually know, if we want to lock our apps on our Samsung devices, we get some apps or third-party apps from our Play Store, install it, and we lock our folders via them. So without them, how can I do that? You have to head over to your settings of your Android, and then you have to go to the button and search for biometrics and security. Let's say, let's see if we can find it. Um, Here you will find the security and privacy, and in here you will find the more security option. So tap on more security settings. Now in here you will find the secure folder option. So tap on secure folder, and in here you can select the apps that you want to add to secure folder, and then you can add apps one by one from here. So once you do it, those apps will be allowed to just use the secure folder or the app lock. So they will just use your lock settings that you have you are using, and then you have to unlock them with whatever lock type you are using, and then either it can be pin, password, or pattern. So according to your need. And once you do that, they will be added or used as app lock without any third-party apps. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know via comment and we'll be really grateful for that. Hope to see you in the next